But okay, let's go ahead and see if things have started to arrive to YouTube yet, because it picks up a little bit later. Okay, cool. It looks like we are live on YouTube, so that's great. So today, right before this, I did a stream focused around Dask, and what I'm going to do right now is going to be more sort of systems administrator kind of stuff. We're going to be taking a look at the different nodes in the cluster. I'm going to be trying to figure out what's going on with the distributed storage stuff, and I'm going to be trying to set up something. My brain isn't working so great. What is it? Oh yeah, we're going to be trying to label the nodes that have GPUs. We're going to try and add a node as well. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and we're gonna go from the top, which is we're gonna play with storage, and that's because the storage stuff, there's a chance that I might have to like zero a bunch of disks and reboot stuff, and that's like maybe gonna take a while, so I want to start with that. Okay, so, oh, interesting. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting. So I think over here I did that. This is still running. That's weird. That's really weird. But okay, that's fine. Okay. Yes. Here's what I want to do, which is kubectl delete -n -sef. And we'll give it 60 seconds. The other thing that I'm curious about is so this disk, you know, it clearly has LVM partition on it, or LVM something on it. Examples, Kubernetes. Oh, right, I guess. Control Shift V. There we go. Sorry. Ceph. Okay, and then underscore cluster .yaml. Okay. There's the operator, I guess. ARM64. There we go. Okay, cool. Varlib rook 3. Let's take a look. Cool. Okay. I guess, let's look up how to delete. Oh, damn it. Not in the wrong. Sorry. Not yet sharing my screen. My apologies. So what we're going to do now is look up if, oh, yes, take this straight over here. We are going to look up delete LVM volume, LVM from disk. Okay. I think this is what I want to do. Yeah. I don't want to move the... God damn it. Fine. Don't want to move them. I want to delete them. I don't know. Okay, I guess let's go ahead. LVS. Okay. Okay. PV remove. SDA. No PV device found on it. Okay, so this should work then if we deploy, I guess. It's not the most reassuring statement I've ever made, but okay, let's go for it. Go for it. Okay. Okay, cool. Oh, damn it. Uh, there we go. That's what I wanted to do. Cool. Except it is not moving forward. Cube, CTL, get namespaces. It's still, okay. Rook set namespace. Stock terminating. Pretty sure I've done this before. Okay. Okay. So what I can do is I can disable the finalizers. And then kubectl get namespace. Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's hope this works. So while that's going on, let's look up how to, while this is happening, let's add the Jetson nano, since I think that's probably going to have the least impact on the cluster. Okay, cool. Okay. Let's make sure there's like not actually anything here. Okay. So is it? Okay. So here we go. Oh, it looks like this is like pretty much almost all set up, except for the part where like the machine needs to reboot. Let's see, uptime, what is it? 15 days? Yeah, I could see that. Okay. Because there's a bunch of stuff which I do on sort of the first run of the system. So let's just go ahead and reboot that system, and it might come back up automatically. I should have written down its IP address. Oh, wait. Right here. Cool. And the reason why I should have written down its IP address is that the Bonjour protocol takes a little bit of time to do discovery, and yeah. Okay. Okay, cool. So this is going to take a little while for everything to go. Right, so let's take a look at what's happening here. So we're going to look at the logs of this operator as it's coming. Staff -f. Oh, and don't the splash. There we go. Okay. And so that's going to take some time. Hopefully it'll settle and just start working. Cool. Now we're going to go ahead, kubectl get nodes. Okay, it looks like the Jetson Nano did not come up yet. And no, okay. Huh. Wonder. Wonder why that is. Uh, uh, not seeing a lot going on. Okay, cat var log. Is this one? Okay. Okay, I guess we could just manually trigger this, like, first boot script. Sure, I guess let's just trigger this. It'll probably do the trick. Whatever. Cool. Still ostensibly waiting for this canary to be scheduled. Okay, cool. Well, so while this thing is doing its thing, next thing that we're going to do is try and figure out how to do GPU detection. Let's actually see if anyone wants to come join me for these adventures. Stream number 2 of the day. Trying to get GPU detection and other cluster wrapped up. Cool. Cool. Okay. So, yeah. Oh, wait, what? Okay. Why is the canary not coming up? I'm slightly confused. Okay, well, let's see. Why is... Okay, so we've got the C canary kubectl describe pod. Oh. Okay. Right. Weird. So, okay, it's like affinity, anti-affinity rules. But there should be 3 places where it could ostensibly go. Let's take a look at why this isn't coming up. Okay. WorksFmon. Doesn't tolerate storage node op exists. Okay. Where's the affinity? So it should be eligible for x86, 100, 102, and potentially leader, but at least those 3. Like this should be a storage node. Pretty sure it is. Rule storage. Ah, shit. The rule is... Oh... Please tell me. Okay. Describe node. Is the rule... Rule is storage node. Okay. So that makes sense. Why it is not coming up. Whatever. Okay. The Bonjour protocol doesn't seem to be working on this node for some reason, so I just know its IP address. So what I want to do here is I think it's like an ETC, maybe? Okay. Grep. Cool. So somehow I'm not super sure how this got to, because one of them has rule. Oh, I changed this. It's my own damn fault. Damn it. Well, oh. Okay. Storage. Okay. Oh, nope. Nope, sorry. So system. Oh, no. Damn it, no. Computers. Why is this so hard? Ah, buffer is read-only. Okay. Sure. Sounds fine. This is the one. Okay. Cool. System key restart. How do I restart K3s? Restart K3s. Okay. System D. Restart K3s. System D. God damn it. System D. Restart service? How do I restart a service? Of course. It's some random bullshit. Okay. K3s. K3s agent. Okay, let's go ahead. Daemon reload. And then that did not work. that's fine. Let's take a look. Let's see how I'll get nodes. Oh, yes, no. Yeah, very well. See how I'll get nodes. Scribe node. Okay, so it looks like it was restarted. Very reasonably good. And it has the role of storage node. Lovely. And then I imagine monitor C is going to come up momentarily. There we go. There we go. Looks like progress. Okay. And so the reason why I only want these things running on certain nodes is that I want the storage stuff to be separated from the compute stuff. And that's like, there's arguments either way for like storage and compute being separated or together. It's on the same switch. I think it's close enough, but I didn't want like the storage pods to get scheduled on the pods where I'm going to be doing eventually at some point some benchmarking. Yep. Okay, cool. So that looks like it's making some progress. What about over here? Okay, now it's just going to take a little bit of time. So that is more or less what I would expect. Ah, yes, the next thing that I was going to do was try and figure out how to label my nodes that have GPUs. So, NVIDIA GPU label Kubernetes. Automatic node labeling. Cool. Yeah, I don't have AMD GPUs. Yes, this is what I would like to do. Oh, what happens if I do this? What are my labels? Okay, so we've got architecture. We'll note it's ARM64 and there's one AMD 64 in the mix. That's kind of cool. And we've got the role and host name and stuff like that. So we can manually label the nodes, I guess. But I would like to automatically label the nodes with the kind of GPU that's present. Yes, and I know that there's a way to do it automatically. NVIDIA GPU, there we go. There we go. Here we go. Official NVIDIA GPU device plugin. Sounds like what we want to do. So here we go. Let's go ahead. Quick start. And so I believe we've already done this part. Although I don't know if we've done this part. I don't know if we've installed NVIDIA Docker. It is probably true. Okay. So, let's take a look at what's in this device plugin.yaml. And let's also take a look at deployment via Helm, because that is supposedly the recommended way. So, I don't know. Yeah, let's just look at the Helm deployment. Although, okay, this is going to be called, like, it's going to be a daemon set. Let's take a look. Kubectl, get all namespaces. Do I have that? I do, but it's giving me errors, so that's cool. Fucking hell, really? So, okay, I mean, this error message to me, it indicates that the NVIDIA device plugin is not properly set up to run on ARM, which is a bit of a surprise, all things considered. Yeah, okay. And, well, okay, so cube system. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna delete this, and we're gonna figure out, okay, so this is the image that it's trying to run. So let's go ahead and let's go over to Docker hub and yeah. Hi, Atom Fighter. Okay. Let's see if any of these are built from multiple architectures. And that's a no. These are all AMD 64 only. Okay. 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 Oh. Hmm. Yeah. 1.11. So what version is this having me do? Version 0.7. Okay. Okay, let's see if ARM is here. No. Yes. Okay. 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 Yes, this is what I would like to do. I don't. Oh. So I think. So let's take a look. I don't particularly want to build my own container. Like, it's fine, I can do that. But I would much rather just, like, god damn it, only build for AMD 64 and built a while ago. Oh, okay. Well, that's cool. I guess there's a bunch of patches and stuff. I don't. Let's take a look at these patches. Yep. Jetson family, yeah. That makes sense. Ooh. It's an old version of Ubuntu, but I guess that's fine. How old is this blog post? June. Okay, actually, this is pretty recent. Okay. Okay, we apparently... Ah, cool. That's awesome. That's awesome. Okay, NVML does not have support for Tegra boards. The initial check for this library is removed as it's not needed. By Tegra boards, a much easier process can replace this library. An info message is printed to standard out to know that. So, okay. This is weird though. NVML does not support Tegra boards. But so the old function prints loading NVML. Ah, so if it's a Tegra device, we don't bother loading NVML. What is NVML? NVIDIA Management Library. Okay, NVML Tegra? Oh. Oh, okay. So there's an alternative. It's called Tegra Stats. That's fine. Okay. So, okay. So if we look at these three patches, do I have to use a different container? Let's see here. Okay, what's the first part of the requisites? Yes. NVIDIA Docker on. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so. Yeah. Sure, I don't think I need to do this. Right, because this is all about if I want to use a different version of Linux, which doesn't ship with the magic, but I'm using the NVIDIA base image, so I think we're okay. But I think the part where I'm not okay is over here. I think this is the part where I'm going to have to... sorry, no. Where is it? Yeah, these are the three patches that I think I'm going to have to apply. Oh, God. I wish this thing was cross-built. Let's go ahead and take a look. So this is an interesting set of patches. It is. It is. They're not quite what I want to do. I want to do, because I like BuildX. I like BuildX a lot. So let's go ahead. Let's take a look at the Docker file. Oh no, okay, they do just build separate AMD and PPC 64LE. Okay, well, that's fine. Okay. Okay. So now we are going to take these three patches that I think we relatively understand-ish. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Wait, is this a different... Oh, gotcha. Okay, it's not actually P0, it's P1. And they didn't notice it for the first file because the first file was being applied against dev null, so there was nothing for it to apply against. Okay. Cool. And so this is probably like a get diff output. Okay, cool. And then we're going to go ahead. Okay. Okay, but we got some rejects. So that's not great. Okay. What was the rejected patch? Okay, let's go ahead and find loading and VML. Okay. Yes. Just manually apply this patch and hope that it works. Which, honestly, I don't know. Okay, cool. Sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah. I mean, discrete math it's a lot of studying, or at least it was for me. So instead, I'm going to build this to ARM64. Okay. Let's find out if this loads. And yeah, I'm happy to look at courses. It's been a long time since I took courses, though, Atom Fighter. I don't, but I think I remember which ones, like, were a lot of work for me. But, like, I mean, I guess what's a lot of work for me may not be the same for everyone else. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So that is annoying. I guess. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know why we've got that error. Or like, I mean, I know like file doesn't exist, but I don't like the patch that was rejected. I would not have expected to have had that impact, right? Because there's 3 patches. Okay. God damn it. Like this. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Okay, cool. So this looks like it might be a QEMU error, because I am trying to QEMU build it. I don't know. I don't. Oh. I feel like This is not there. I mean, Uh, 'cause I'm not doing a cross compile. But I am sort of doing a cross compile. This is a weird. Um, hmm. Let's take a look at the Docker file that we got. Okay. Uh, okay. Okay, cool. Uh, to um, C6? I don't know. Ubuntu. Yeah, let's find. Okay, it's in libc6, so that's might just do the trick if we do this. Let's try that. Alexa, how much time is left on my timer?
You have 1 minute left on the 1 hour timer.
Okay, cool. So that's the timer to remind me to take Timbit out and switch the laundry around. So while this runs, I'm going to go and switch this over to Timbit time, and we're going to hope that this succeeds. And I'm going to go take Timbit, see if it needs to pee, and also like start some laundry. So I'll be back in like 5-10 minutes at most. Okay, see y'all soon. Hey Timbit, hey baby, you need to go for a break? You need to go for a break? Come on, come to mama. Come to your mama. Good boy. What a good boy. What a good boy. Okay, there we go. If you want to go outside. Okay, cool. It is Sunday afternoon, so I should take my Sunday afternoon drugs. Okay. There we go. Let's get all of the purple towels together. Towel, towel. Okay. I think that's it for the purple towels. Yes, there are more hiding out in here. No, looks good. Let's see if there are any purple towels hanging out in here. Hi. Oh, let's do purple and pink together. It's close enough. Close enough. Close enough. Okay. Okay. Pink towel. So is this. What? Oh yeah, it was to let Timbit outside. He's outside. And I also have the next set of towels to start washing. And so the screen is on Timbit break, but the audio is still being picked up and broadcast because computers are hard. And so I'm going to go start this, and then I'll come back up, how Tim Tim's doing, do part, continue. I really like the idea of having a Timbit cam. And then maybe, and I know this will never happen, but I kind of want to make a Timbit cam and try and train a model to detect when he's digging in the backyard so that it, like, tells him to stop digging. What? boy. Good boy. What a good boy. Okay. Alexa, create a 1 hour timer.
1 hour. Starting now.
Oh, okay, cool. Oof. So, I'm back, and relatedly, it did not fix my problem. God damn it. I would have thought. Well, okay. Let's try this. We're gonna install it in my host environment. It's already installed. Huh. Well, let's try this. I don't think this is gonna do the trick, but ooh, shit, no. Yeah, sudo mv ld. There we go. I don't think it's having difficulty. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at what this one does. So this is the Golang version. This is the workdir. Wait, what? Okay, so the command that is failing is export CGO LD flags. Okay. Export something. Export CGO LD flags allow. Go flags LD flags SWV NVIDIA device plugin. Okay. Okay, so Ubuntu 16.04, I want to know what, okay, Ubuntu 16.04, 04, libc, do. Okay. 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 Oh! Oh! That's why. Sorry. My brain is not rocking out. Uh, oof. I need to use build X, except I'm only going to, okay, so docker build. Now this is going to be docker build X. Push. It's Linux. ARM64. Okay, I think that'll do the thing. I have to give it a build. Okay. Docker build x build dash dash help. Okay, this is making more sense now. Target. Nope, not target. Platform. Platform. Okay, there we go. Now I think this is going to do the trick. I think, maybe. Because I think before I was just getting by through what is essentially luck. Or not luck, it's long story. So I don't know, I think this might do the trick. I think this might do the trick. We will figure that out. I will drink more iced coffee. Hmm. Hmm. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. Okay. Um. Do, do, do. Okay. Yeah. Oh, god damn it. Okay, well, segmentation fault core dumped. Like, that is progress. Um. Although. Hmm. I guess, actually, the other very real possibility, which I really should have just done from the start, is just tried to build this on uh, one of the ARM machines. Because, like, uh, why not? Right, like, I don't need to mess around with QEMU. I can... Oh, fuck, I don't have Docker on that host. Whatever, let's just build it on one of the NVIDIA machines. Um... CTO. Or do I have Docker? Okay. Whatever. Let's just build it on um let's just build it on this one instead. Because for one thing, that's a more powerful host. Okay, cool. I should really stop using the Bonjour protocol for DNS because like I've got two different networks and it's not gonna be super happy fun times. Oh, now I remember. I guess okay. Well, I can do Docker login. I think it's Golden K. I don't remember my Docker password. Let's go ahead and get it from LastPass. Okay, cool. Sounds great. And now we're actually, I should stop cross-building so much stuff. Like this just really adds a layer of complexity that I do not particularly need. Okay, yeah, I guess the main thing that I was just gonna do here, okay, and then, oh, no, beta 7. Although this will keep it from... Oh, god damn. I guess... Fuck. Well, it's okay, because, like, the x86 node doesn't have anything that I care about, and eventually someone will fix the build X issue, so that's cool. I guess I did install a bunch of stuff I don't need. Whatever, it's fine. You can take it out. Updating CA certificates. Done. Okay. Now, let's really hope this doesn't crash. Okay, cool. So it looks like that was just an issue caused by running it inside of QEMU. Because now that we're running it like on an actual like computer button, happiness. Okay. Let's just go ahead. Docker push. Cool. Okay, cool. So that looks solid, I guess. Maybe. Let's hope that worked. Hmm. Let's see, is any NVIDIA stuff running? No. Okay, cool. So now, got this magic string. I am going to want to put it inside of this, like, sketchy YAML file. This is interesting. Like, because the other weird thing is, like, they have a PPC LE64 Docker file, but they don't... Anyway, yeah, okay. Okay, cool. What was I gonna do? Yeah, here we go. This is the NVIDIA device plugin. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I guess we'll just go ahead and it's probably one of them edited the NVIDIA device plugin. Oh, no, they didn't edit the NVIDIA device plugin.yaml because they just deployed over top of where the NVIDIA device plugin expected to find it. Right. Data? No. Okay, yes. So what we will do here is we will now swap this for that. And then hopefully NVIDIA. I don't. Okay, cool. We'll get all that and cube system. Okay. Okay, cool. So one of them's in crash loop back off, which is kind of what I would expect. I'm gonna hope that that's the x86 node. Describe pod and cube system. And yep. So this is the x86 node. And so that's just going to fail. Yes. I could make this just targeted ARM64. Okay. So, here we go. Here we go. So if it's got something, so what I'm gonna do, we're gonna do a, we're gonna tell this not to schedule on my storage nodes because, right? I think that seems reasonable. Yeah, nodes, because the storage nodes aren't gonna have work. Yeah, describe node. Oh, there's like a, okay, what am I gonna do here? So the key is, okay, roll, operator equals, okay, let's find out how to write Kubernetes tolerations. How do I write a Kubernetes toleration? Yes, okay, it's equal, sorry, value storage dash node, fact is going to be no schedule. Yeah, that seems reasonable. Yes. Oh. Yeah. I think the other one that I would want to do nodes is avoid scheduling this on the leader. Oh, cool! And the Jetson Nano came up. Describe node. Okay, it's leader. So there's no particular reason to run this on the leader either. Let's see here. Yeah, so yeah. Operator exists. Right, if I do scale describe node, no, sorry. This is not gonna have, yeah. Effect, no schedule. Okay, cool. cool. And but system. Oh, they're all having errors. Okay. Let's take a look. What's our error? Nothing. Okay. I guess. Subscribe. Okay. So, oh, okay. Executable not found in path unknown. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. What did I potentially screw up? Okay, these look the same. That looks... So this is the argument. But, like, there's an entry point, I think. Oh, fuck, did I get rid of the entry point? No, there's... The CMD is NVIDIA device plugin. Uh, huh. That's interesting. That's the same one. Okay. This is also still the same one. Okay. So what's the error message exactly? When I go kubectl describe, it is saying exec was not found on path. Okay. I don't... I don't know why args is overriding... Huh. I don't know why args is overriding my CMD as far as I can tell. But, you know what? Hey, let's, give it a shot. Right? Or maybe it needs to be entry. I don't know. Okay. 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 Okay, cool. This looks like it's working. Me. Yeah? Like one of them is in crash loop back off. Oh, let's get it without dash. Okay, there's one error. Let's look at one of the ones which hasn't crashed first. Okay, yeah, looks solid. What about this one? Exec format error. Okay. Where are you scheduled? You are scheduled on someone that I don't want you scheduled on. Uh, why is it scheduled on someone I don't want it scheduled? I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter, but cube CTL describe node. Ooh, that's system encountered an What the hell? That's that's really weird. Oh, it's probably inside of. Okay, well, whatever. We'll figure this out later. Because you have the role, and it is equal to storage node. I'm not sure I understand this exactly. Okay, so. Okay. Let's go up. So, in this case, the pod will not be able to schedule its work because there is no toleration matching the third taint. So the toleration okay. How do I say I like want an anti-toleration? Ah, I see it's not necessarily gotcha. Gotcha. So then here ah okay. Um okay. So this is the opposite of what I wanted. Okay. I got tolerations and taints mixed up. Um, hmm. I don't know if, okay. Uh, eh. Okay, so it's not, um, like if this key is present, I don't want to run there. So how do I specify that? I don't think I do. Maybe it's going to be a node of, maybe I need an anti-affinity. Okay. Yes. Ah, node selector. Okay. Okay. So, node. So I'm going to go ahead and say node selector. Okay, node selector role GPU, right? I think get nodes, CTL, scribe node, NVIDIA 2. Yeah. No, does this look right? Right, role equals GPU. Okay, cool. Let's try this again. And then hopefully this will do the trick. All right. Okay, dash W. Sure, looks great. So there are 3 of these running. That sounds good. No. Wait, what? Wait. Oh. What? Okay, cool. Okay. Cool. That's probably okay. Okay, cool. So it looks like these are all detecting their Tegra devices, and the loads are fine. And it's not scheduling on the storage nodes anymore, which that's fine. Great. Okay, cool. And we can take a look. System info. And there's a GPU on the Jetson Nano. Fuck yeah. That's awesome. It's automatically detected. Let's go ahead. Look at NV1. This one also has 1 GPU. Does that sound right? Let's go back here. Probably it's right, I imagine. There was a part about okay. Yeah. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go ahead. We're just gonna run this. It's gonna go in the default namespace. Pods, kubectl, logs, ff. Fuck yeah. It's a party. It's looking great. Yeah. Okay, cool. So I think we're good. Kubectl query pod. Okay, cool. So that's cool. That's all kinds of fun. And we can oh we can start to have fun with this more later on. I think that's nice though, because we got the GPU up and going, or like the GPUs are labeled. Oh yeah, okay. Let's take a look at the plugin solid. Okay. Get all def and look def stuff. Okay, cool. I am really curious. Oh, cool. Okay. So the OSD prepare job's completed. And we've got, do we have any OSDs running? Oh, let me do it over here because that's on the screen. Okay, OSD pro. Okay, there's only one OSD running, and that is not what I want. God damn it. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Like, I don't. Um. Okay. SDC. Why is it not at SDC? No instances of OSD running. God damn it. Fuck. Okay. God damn it. Okay. Cube, CTL, delete, namespace, Brooksef. So, I need to figure out a way to, oh, fuck. Please tell me I didn't just need to do a part probe. No, okay. Um, well, sometimes a reboot is the easiest thing to do. Ceph, wipe, OSD. Yeah, I want to destroy this. Um, um, okay. How do I... Yeah, then I can hopefully zap this OSD device. And that'll maybe do the trick? I don't know. Yeah. Okay, cool. Now, SCC, nothing. Okay, dispatch, destroy. Okay, cool. this thing is just honk, hosed. I don't know. Let's reboot it. And when it comes back up, we can try wiping it again. And then we'll do that for all of the devices. And then failing that, I'll just get a network attached storage device to act as my thing, because like this is not super great. Cool. I hope you um yeah. And it's eventually going to start responding to pings again, I assume, at some point. Alexa, how much time is left on my timer?
There's 19 minutes left on the 1 hour time.
I hope I didn't break that host. That's quite possible. Oh no, I want that cluster one. Oh no, there we go. That sounds like it's rebooting. It's just kind of slow. So that's fine. Or it's having difficulty booting. One of the two. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, okay, I guess. Sounds good. Let's go ahead and go to So we did this one. Now we need to do this one. Okay. So I'm guessing SDA and SDB on this one are the ones that we want to wipe. That's just dry, I guess, and okay, cool. Oops. Okay. Okay. Cool. Okay. Huh. Yeah, this looks like that's probably broken. Okay, cool. Looks like we need to reboot this worker. Not the biggest surprise in the world. Uh, what's the cube CTL? Nodes. Uh, yeah, it's not gonna work. Because Mojo doesn't. Sorry. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and run lsblk. Yep, looks like the same party. And something tells me that I'm also just going to need to reboot this device, this machine first. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. And we're going to go ahead and SSH back to that host. No, still not back yet. Okay. That's fine. The other one that I need to zap something on is going to take a bit more work. Yeah, it's this one. Let's see if we can just zap it without having to reboot the leader, because I prefer that. But we might need to reboot because the disks look like they got in a funky state, which is fine. Which is fine. Oh, holy shit, it's 6:30. I should probably stop drinking cold brew coffee. Do. Hmm. What? I'm gonna go ahead and try and zap. Cool. That looks like it was a success. Now we can go over to 100. Which is not coming back up for some reason. That's really weird. Okay. Um... Hmm. Huh. Weird. Not. Was that just like a timing thing, or is the bonjour protocol just okay? It's just a timing thing. Oh, yeah. Okay. And it is SDA and SDB on this host too, I believe. But I want to clean up. Let's take a look. Yep, SDA and SDB. Cool. And then we're gonna go ahead. Yep, leader. Okay. So after this one's done, this one's done. Yes. After I wipe this one, I'm gonna reboot the leader because the leader also has disks that are stuck in a weird state. It's probably my fault. Like I was screwing around with the disks the other day. So can totally see that. This one should go. So much fun. Alexa, how much time is left on my timer?
You have 8 minutes and 30 seconds left on your 1 hour time.
Lovely. Okay, so we are getting close to the point where it'll wipe this machine, then I can reboot the leader, and then I'll take a Timbit pee break to see if he needs to pee in the backyard, and also swap the towels around in the washing machine and dryer. And that'll be good. Okay, cool. Yep, looks like a party. Oh, weird. SDB is coming up as a read. Oh, yeah, okay. So dev SDB it's like, I think it's a cheap USB stick and it's just hosed. And that's why it's commented out on Worker 100. That's what I get for buying a cheap USB stick, or this might have actually even just been one of the ones that I found. Just kind of randomly. So not the biggest surprise that this is failing. That kind of expected. Okay, so then I'm going to reboot the leader. Alexa, cancel my timer.
1 hour timer canceled.
Rockin'. We're going to take Timbit on a break, and I will be back in about like 5 or 10 minutes. Ooh, not the button I meant to press. There we go. Hey, Timbit. Hey, baby. Come on. Timbit. Do you want to come to your mom? I got a snack, but you got to come all the way over here. Oh, yeah. Look at those little legs, man. You got to come all the way, baby. All the way. All the way. All the way, or there's no snack. Come on. Come on. You got it. You got it. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Okay. Hey. Go get it. Okay, cool. Oof. You know, it's like a good set. Stay great. How about something? Okay, cool. Oh, you know. This may be a 2 day. Maybe 3. Okay. Okay. What a good boy. What a good boy. The magical world of prizes awaits. Magical world of prizes awaits in your bed. Go to bed. Good boy. Good boy. What a good boy. Alexa, how long is left on my timer?
There are no timers set.
Great. Alexa, create a 1 hour timer.
There are no timers set.
God damn it. Alexa, create a 1 hour timer.
1 hour. Starting now.
Ooh. That's not great. Why is it not coming back up? 'Cause that's been a while. Right? Fuck. I hate computers. Okay. So okay. So it's not currently on fire, so that's a good sign. Uh let's see if the rack camera works. I mean, okay, kinda. There's just some crap in the way. So we're gonna go power cycle the leader host. Cause like I don't know. Okay, cool. So these are pretty hot, but like they're not stupid amounts of hot. Um, at least I like to think they're not stupid amounts of hot. Ooh, okay. Uh, I'll deal with that today. Okay. So plug that back in. Let's. Oh, it's Sunday. I need to do my shot. Okay, that's a something that I forgot about. But I'm kind of glad I accidentally knocked that over, so that's cool. Okay. No, no. Um, there we go. Let's see here. So, it's still saying destination host not reachable. So, I don't know. I don't. Did its MAC address change somehow? Like, I don't know. I could pretty sure it's not a thing, generally speaking, but it is a Raspberry Pi, and I don't know. Oh, okay. Okay, there are two leases. Um, we're gonna map these to static IPs. So, I don't know why it's not coming up. I wonder if maybe it's overheated. Because it is warm when I open that. That would be inconvenient. But Nova said she'd help me drill a hole in the side of the case, the server racks to put some extra fans in. So maybe that would do the trick, because it might just not have enough ventilation right now. It's overheating. Let's take a look. Are any of my switch ports not alive? No, everyone's alive, ostensibly. I mean, port 10, I think, is, it's just permanently dead. Yeah, port 10, not dead, it's, okay, so I don't think that's it. I guess what I'm going to do is, we're going to go back to rack time. I'm going to unplug it, and I'm going to bring it over here, because I've got a little, oh, spilled coffee. So, I'm going to deal with the coffee spill. Let's take a look at the rack, though. We'll give it a minute while I go dump out the coffee and grab. Okay, I'll put it. There we go. And oh, hey, Tim Tim. Hello, Professor. Hello, Professor. Okay. So, woof. This is the little Raspberry Pi that I have. It's acting as the leader host, but it might be it's warm. It's not like not turn on warm though. Like but I've got what I was trying to show last time. Oh, this is too much of a shit show to show. Anyways, I've got a little uh display thingy that we're just going to use because I am super curious to see what comes up. So the fans turn on. That's a good sign. Oh shit, but the display is not going to turn on because it needs USB power. Forgot about that. Okay. The light is stuck just red. It's not a great sign normally. Normally you want some flashing bits of green too, for good measure. So let's turn it on. Okay, there we go. We got a bit of green. Damn it, I plugged in the wrong USB device. Of course. Or maybe I didn't. I don't fucking know. So many of them. Is it just not plugged in all the way enough? Is it not getting enough power? Did I actually plug in the wrong USB device? These are all very possible things. So this is the Raspberry Pi, and got a little display right here. There we go. And I'm trying to see if I can get something up on the screen so I know what's going on with this device. But I am not getting anything. Like, there's a little flashing green light. That's, fuck yeah, party. But there's nothing coming up on the display over here. So like that's a little more than a little. That's concerning, right? Like at least normally, like when I give this thing power, like I get something, right? Let's double check. So I'm gonna switch this back to this thing over here. This is, I suppose, sometimes you get what you pay for. But yeah, then we'll plug that in. Oh yeah, but there's no display because plug that in over here too. Okay, let's try that again. What is he up to? Okay. Oh, maybe the display is just broken. Or maybe I just forgot to plug in the right cable. I don't. Okay, no, so it's not the display. because we can see here, well, I mean, there's no input, but like at the very least we get this no input, and then eventually it's going to do something. I think. I hope. Okay. I don't know. I don't know why this isn't working. Because this was working like minutes ago. I had a little web browser running on this. Now I'm not seeing anything, so that's confusing, to say the very least. Okay. 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 So whatever. Is it not enough power? Like, what's going on? Okay. Start it up again. Give it a minute or two. Okay, the other thing that I want to do while I'm trying to figure out what's going on with my display is I want to figure out what's going on with this SD card. Okay, this is running fine. So, cool. For values of fine, which have some flexibility, but like, okay. So, these are the 3 or 4 cables. So we are gonna just swap these in. And it could just be that this case is really bad because I had some other issues with another Raspberry Pi in this case. Or it could have been that I got a bad batch of Raspberry Pis. I don't super know what their quality control is like. I think it's most likely like I screwed up something. Right, that's the most likely explanation. Okay. Not seeing anything on the display still. I did get a message on, based on the sound, I'm guessing Hangouts. Oh. Do, do, do. Okay. So there's just nothing coming up. I'm really curious if it's the Raspberry Pi or if it's the system image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just, because it's an SD card, I'm just going to swap. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? Not going to do that. I am going to plug this in first here to my trusty SD card reader and see if it gives me any interesting errors. I would not be surprised if it does, but like honestly, I'm not surprised either way. Okay, so if we look at that, it looks like it's just fine. So we're gonna eject it. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try this SD card in the other Raspberry Pi. This SD card is so fucking annoying to get out. I wish I had a pair of pliers or something. Maybe if I do... Or micro SD card, I suppose. Stays like this one. I wish I had a little tool. What could I use to get this SD card out? Oh, there we go. Just needs a light bit of jiggling. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna put the other SD card in. And we're gonna see if I got my cables all tangled. Whatever. Welcome to my life. Okay, so there we go. And oh, upside daisy. Around. Oh, okay. Fuck. Okay. Cool. So this is the monitor here. Not seeing the little green light here that I'm sort of used to seeing when I plug it in. So maybe it is the SD card? That would be super weird for it to feel like this. Okay. It's definitely booting up, but it's also definitely not having a party. Sorry, I should say the green light is flashing, which indicates it's reading data from the SD card, but it doesn't appear to be even turning on the display at all, which isn't something that really makes sense to me. Like, I don't see how the SD card would be affecting that. Maybe I'm just silly. Maybe this has to be in the USB 3 port, for all I know. I don't know. I'm kind of grasping at straws here, to be honest. Okay, one more time. And then I'm going to swap the SD card back and see if it works. Okay. Okay. Raspberry Pi, no SD card. Raspberry Pi, sorry. USB does not power. Well, like it's the same power output. I just changed the SD card. Uh, hmm. Raspberry Pi, no display. Um, yeah, yeah. So I think my SD card got horked somehow. Maybe. Uh, okay, yeah. So yeah, so it could just be the SD card. It could be the SD card is broken, but that's really, or not broken, sorry. It could be the image that I wrote to my SD card is having some issues. It could also be that the SD card is having some issues. Um, yeah. We're gonna put, it's also possible that like, I just like fucked up this display somehow. Which would be super annoying, but also not impossible. Okay, cool. How are we doing? Actually, no green light. Fuck, maybe I did just screw up this display. Hmm. No, okay, there's the green light. Didn't take that long. Oh, it's the other way around. That's fine. Oh, fuck. No. Not what I wanted. Uh, um... Okay, so this clearly boots, right? And it doesn't boot with with the SD card that's in the leader node. Um, so I don't know. Hmm. Let me okay. I guess verify SD card not broken. I don't know. Uh, Linux check SD card. Um, I don't want to destructively test it. Okay. I guess so. Okay. I'm not super sure what the best path forward is right now. I think what it might be is I'm going to make a backup of what's on this card right now. Um, and we're going to do that using DD rescue. If we see errors while we're doing that, that'll tell us something. DD rescue if dev sdg of equals reader.img. Okay. Go emount dev SDG2. If okay. Um. Uh. Oh, okay. It doesn't take in. Okay, so PD rescue works a little bit differently. It takes an input file, which is going to be dev SDG, and we're gonna do that, and we're not going to specify it. Okay. Whoop. And I guess we'll see what happens. There's no read errors though, so this makes me think that like I just accidentally screwed something up on it. Hmm. Oh, this is gonna take 23 minutes. Fuck that. Okay, cool. I think this is a solid stopping point because we've narrowed it down to like whatever is on the SD card that I have in here doesn't boot in either Raspberry Pi. So it could be the SD card. It could be like I horked some firmware by accident. It could be something else completely. But we've narrowed it down to like the data that's on here is screwy. It's probably not the Raspberry Pi because it doesn't boot in another Raspberry Pi either. And so I am going to run DD rescue. We'll see if there's any read errors. If there aren't any, that tells me the data is probably bad, but the SD card is probably fine. On the other hand, if I get a bunch of read errors, it's going to tell me the SD card might not be very happy, and it's probably not going to be super fun. I am going to, in addition to the disk image, like copy some stuff. I really hope it's just a bad SD card because I hope it's a bad SD card and it can recover the sectors because that would be the easiest thing for me to fix because I can just buy another SD card. And they're not too expensive, although I'll buy a better one next time if it is the SD card. But yeah, I just not. Oh wait, there's a way to boot QEMU. QEMU. Was it QEMU? Do I want QEMU? QEMU Raspberry Pi, except not chroot. Um, Rockin'. So, the other thing that I can do, installed. Um, um, I don't, never mind. This seems like it's gonna be a pain in the ass. We'll just make a backup and I will deal with the leader node after the backup is done. Yeah, that's probably the right time to start screwing around with things. There we go. Okay. Although, like, given that it's like at a percent rescued of 10% without any read errors, I'm strongly leaning towards that this is not an issue with the SD card itself. It's an issue with the data on the SD card. But let's wait. Let's finish this up. Okay, cool. Thanks everyone. See y'all soon.